Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of you guys a lot. Today's video is a super exciting video. It's 5 best palettes for fall season. You guys know it's the two of the most important things in my life. One is fall season and the second one is eyeshadow palettes. So let's dive right into the video. This is my second attempt to do this video. The first attempt, I started the video. 30 seconds later, I had eyeliner all over my eyelids and I didn't notice until the end of the video. So I'm here refilming. So I hope this is gonna be fine. So the first eyeshadow that we're going to talk about is the newest release and the newest addition to my collection, and that's Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. I personally feel this is such an awesome palette for the fall season. It has those beautiful toasty oranges and browns with those olives, purples, which are all, I feel, so much of a fall color. I don't know where you guys live. Here in Atlanta, I personally in my backyard right now can see all the reds and the oranges and the yellows. But when it's like moving towards the winter season, oh no. Wait a minute. Hopefully that lighting is much better. There's a window that I have on my left hand side. So if that window is open, it just reflects right on this side of the face. Okay, let's do it again. Third time. Okay, so this palette definitely comes with those fall olive greens and the burnt terracotta oranges and the browns in the palette. I personally feel this is the most versatile palette that Too Faced has ever released. I know it's a big statement, but I feel that this gives so much more like variety to a consumer to do so many endless looks. The look that you're seeing here is achieved by the Pumpkin Spice palette, and I think this is like the 7th look that I've created from this palette this month. If you guys have not watched the 5 looks with one palette as well as the review video, I will link it in the iCards above. The second palette that I'm going to talk about, and this is Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. I personally picked it up on a sale. If I can find any sale price for this palette, I will definitely leave it down in the description box below. But I personally feel this is such a good quality palette. It comes with those neutral browns, those oranges. It comes with those olive greens, burgundies, that Justice shade, the topper shade. You put that shade on any matte eyeshadow and it would transform your look. I personally feel it's such an amazing palette. This palette only comes with 10 eyeshadow, but these 10 eyeshadows are such good quality and such good variety. You can do tons of looks with this palette. It comes with that beautiful purpley blue shade in the palette, which is such a statement shade if you're going for that blue smoky eye. And talking about the smoky eye, it also comes with that granite shade, the deep charcoal gray with tons and tons of sparkles in it. It's one of my favorite palettes in my collection. Now moving on to the drugstore category, I personally feel the quality is so good, and this is at a sale price at $10 right now. I don't know what's up with this. Is it discontinuing? Is the packaging changing? Or I don't know what it is, but I'm talking about Milani's Pure Passion palette. This comes with such beautiful tones of burgundy. I personally feel if you have brown eyes, this palette is for you. If you have brown eyes and if you put like burgundy tones or purple tones on your eyes, it brings out the brown in your eyes. I personally feel this is such an amazing quality. The shimmers are amazing. The mattes are super blendable. I absolutely love this palette. The next palette that we're going to talk about is another affordable option, and I'm talking about Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette. I have done a review on this palette, 2 looks with one palette. I'll definitely leave it in the iCards above. I personally feel Juvia's Place is one of the best brands if you are a beginner and if you're just dabbling into eyeshadows. This does the work for you. The shades are super blendable. and the shimmers are unreal. It's such good quality shimmers. It comes with some toasty browns, oranges, but you also have those pops of shimmer. Okay, my battery is gonna die. Before it dies, let's just finish it. It comes with some beautiful toasty brown shades in the palette, as well as some colorful options if you love colors on your eyes. But for me, these are not the shades that I put on like a regular basis. So if you cover the top row, then this palette is totally up my alley. I mean, this Casablanca shade and this Calabar shade, I mean, yeah, I'll show you the swatches. It's amazing. Talking about the last palette in my collection, I'm pretty sure most of you guys can just guess what it is, because I cannot stop raving about this palette. And I'm talking about Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. This is again at a sale price of $31. I mentioned that in every video because I personally feel it's worth every single penny. The tones in this palette, oh my god, I was not a person who loves color on my eyes. This palette completely changed that for me. If you don't love colors, but if you want to dip your toes into colors, these are some muted colors, but so richly pigmented, so blendable. I absolutely love everything about this palette. Some beautiful pinks, purples. This duochrome is unreal. This topper shade looks like white, but it is like a pale gold when you put it on your eyes. So sparkly. I would not put anything red on my eyes, but this red, I can't stop myself using that. It's such a beautiful shade. I mean, all the shades, I really cannot say one shade in this palette that doesn't work for me. I absolutely love it. So those were my top 5 palettes for fall autumn season. I have a special recommendation, a mention for my 6th category. Don't kill me. But I personally feel if you are on a budget and if you're looking for some fall eyeshadow palette, these 2 palettes from Wet n Wild, and I'm talking about Glamour Squad palette as well as Rosé in the Air. These are some tones or shades that any makeup lover would love for fall. Actually, all year round. If you've not seen my eyeshadow palette tag video, I'll link it in the iCards above or description below. The Glamour Squad palette is one of my top 5 palettes in my collection. I absolutely love the tones, the mattes, everything. It's such a dupe for Modern Renaissance and what's that called, Soft Glam palette. You need this if you don't have it already. And that's it, guys. I really hope that you guys love this video, and I hope there's no errors in this video that I recorded. So fingers crossed for that. But if you guys are new here, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring that notification bell so that you are notified every time that I'm posting next. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.